battle mist on the border between, and these eyes so faint to the brink, serpents of light of some different kind, fan fiction or crossovers, terrifying things with sweetest names. One more thing to give up.
And he always wants to make us polar bear.
And she's looking at you.
Whoa, fuck!